What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Excuse my voice because I am kind of sick right now, and we are looking at Samsung devices from the S7, S8, and so on and so forth. And we don't want to have that notification on the front screen. Maybe we just want a blank, clean looking black lock screen. So when you open your phone, you're going to scroll from the top of your phone down to where all your notifications are. You're going to click the button that allows you to go to your settings. And then from the top, you're going to scroll down until you see the icon that says lock screen and security. You're going to look at your phone and it's going to say notifications on the lock screen. Then you're going to click, after it loads up, you're going to click on the button that says content on lock screen. You're going to click that and it's going to say show content, hide content, or do not show notifications. So it's not going to show nothing on the home screen. So this is what you can do to make your phone that much better. This works on the Samsung Galaxy S6, Samsung Galaxy S7, 7 Edge, the Samsung Galaxy S8, 8 Plus, all those phones. So as always, my name is Trevor. Remember to rate, even if you hate, comment, and subscribe. And this has been another Trevor's Phone Reviews video, baby. This even works on your Samsung Galaxy Note. So, thanks for watching. As always, hopefully this helped you out. And if it did, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel because I'm going to keep pumping out more videos like this. This has been another HD tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.